Hi, today's lesson I'll be demonstrating and breaking down one of the most important finger picking patterns you'll ever learn on guitar, and that's Travis picking. I'll be using just the D chord. That'll give us a 4-string Travis picking pattern, and then I'll show you some exercises, how you can develop and practice. Today we'll be focusing on the D chord. The picking pattern for this begins with the thumb on the D string and the middle finger on the E string. We pick these both at the same time. The thumb comes down to play the G. The first finger then plays the B. Thumb back up to play the D. Middle finger to play the E. Thumb back to play the G. And first finger to play the B. This is a repetitive picking pattern, so we just continue with this pattern. Gradually speed that up as you're learning it. So what I like to do is create exercises to further learn and further embed picking patterns and new techniques. So I'm going to take you through a sequence of D chords. Because we've learnt the Travis picking pattern on D using 4 strings, we can go through a sequence now of 4-string chords. So we can start off with the D chord. Add our little finger or pinky to the 3rd fret of the E string to create a D sus4. Take off the little finger and the middle finger to create a D sus2. Go back to the D by putting the middle finger back on the 2nd fret. So I'll run through that again. I'm going to then go to a D minor. I'm then going to go to a D7, to a D6, and to a Dmaj7. The sequence in its entirety. Generally, my advice for learning something is to find creative ways of practicing it. You need to keep stimulated, you need to keep interested, because a lot of techniques like picking techniques are very repetitive, so you can learn the movement, but then you need to keep practicing it so you can develop the flow and consistency and then take it to the next level. So the way to do this is just repetition. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on Travis picking using the D chord. I'll see you next time.